Did you know that your Affinity performance issues are usually caused by a single setting that's turned on by default? If you've noticed lagging when you zoom or sluggishness while moving layers around, you aren't alone. We are going to fix that and optimize your system so everything runs buttery smooth. Let's jump right in. First, we need to address the biggest issue behind most crashes and stutters. Open up Affinity by Canva and head straight to the top of your screen. Tap on Edit and then select Settings. From that left-hand sidebar, you want to tap on Performance. Look at the very bottom of that window for an option called Enable OpenCL Compute Acceleration. While this sounds like it should make things faster, it often creates a massive conflict with your graphics drivers. Toggle that switch to Off, click Close, and when the prompt asks to restart the app, tap Yes. For about 90% of users, this single step stops the lagging immediately because it removes that hardware communication barrier. If things still feel a bit heavy, we need to manage how Affinity uses your hardware. Go back into Edit, then Settings, and tap Performance again. Look at your RAM usage limit. You don't want the app hogging every bit of memory your computer has. A good rule of thumb is to set this to roughly 75% of your total system RAM. If you're running on 16 gigabytes, move that slider to about 12,000 megabytes. While you're in there, let's look at the undo limit. By default, it's often set to over 1000 steps. Every single one of those steps eats up your memory. Drop that number down to something more reasonable, like 200. You'll still have plenty of safety nets, but your RAM will thank you. Finally, if panning and zooming still feel slow, look for the view quality setting in that same window. It's likely set to bilinear, which looks great but is taxing on the processor. Change that to nearest neighbor. It's the fastest rendering option available and will make your workspace feel much more responsive while you're actually creating. I hope this helps you get back to creating without the lag. Subscribe for more optimization tips. See you in the next one.